looks so dope out there this morning. What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Gabe Gutierrez. You guys literally just seen my house where we were, and it was super clear, right? Dude, look at this right now. I'm literally just like 4 houses down from mine, and it is nasty looking. This sucks. I've always wanted to make a video on how loud this truck really is. I haven't really ever made a video on the exhaust system that I have on this truck. That had to just be a cloud or something, because it's now clear again over here. It's so weird how this whole thing does this. So I'm in the clear right now, as you can see. Okay, let's lower this. But look how nasty it looks down there. That's belly view that you guys always see in my vlogs. And it starts clearing up, and then you can see the farmland down there a little bit, but it's dope. I love it. As always, literally just pulled out of my house and got pulled over for truck being too wide and windshield and windows tinted. As always, that's just the normal. It's just a fix-it ticket. Said the truck looks good. Yep.
Just some fix-it ticket sections here.
Okay.
Windows on the windshield have to be cleaned off and clear.
Okay.
These side ones, these can be dark as you like back
Right.
here. And then mud guards on the rear tires.
Okay.
And then just go in and get your address change with the DMV. You can even do that online.
Okay.
And as soon as you show them you got those 3 things cleared up, they're going to throw all
Sweet.
away.
I'll do that. All right. Thank you.
Box at the bottom.
Sweet.
I'll trade you these back.
Well, there's that. Another ticket to add to the record. If I remember right, I think I stopped counting all my tickets at like 38 tickets. This was like back in just a little bit after high school, probably. Maybe like a year or 2 after high school. I stopped counting tickets. Let's get on with our day now. This is actually a 5-inch Jamo stainless exhaust. This thing is probably one of my favorite tuned trucks. Like, it does really, really good. Now, of course, it sucks right now with the 37s, but when I had regular stock wheels and tires, this thing got it on. So I'm gonna shoot right here. This was one of the back roads. I actually grew up on this road. So let's see what we can get. I mean, the truck is really loud. Like, it's super loud once you're next to it, but when you're in the truck driving it, it's not too bad. But like I said, being next to it, it is really loud, or in a tunnel or a bridge, an underpass, any kind of thing like that, a parking garage. Surprisingly, I do fit in parking garages with this thing. But anyways, guys, so I did end up hitting the mud, got the truck a little dirty, which is good because the truck did need a bath. And like I said, people don't really know this. They think this is a little toy of mine or whatever. It's not. It's a work truck. It's out here in the farms. It's out here in the fields all the time. It gets scratched. It's a daily driven truck. Don't want people to think different of the truck just because it looks pretty. That's just the way I've always had my pickups, all of my work trucks. Whatever truck I have, I always have to do something to it. I just hate having that one truck that looks like every other grandpa truck. So if you are driving that grandpa truck, to each their own. Anyways, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. Like Squad, as always, please smash that thumbs up button, and everybody else, please subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.